Sadly, every day in America, a woman is attacked while she's running or walking for fitness. But Defender helps even the odds. Not only does she get to stay hydrated, which helps her mental capacity, the bottle itself is protection, while also being designed to add attachments that are protection too. Not only is the different attachments protection just in themselves, but some of them are for safety, like flashlight with strobe. But if you look at the bottle design, if you look at these ridges, they're designed to rip into skin, eyes, gouging throat. Whatever the woman needs to do to get the attacker up off her, even if she's not carrying a stun gun, if she's in one of those states, there are states that they're not allowed. But she has this piece, which is. She also has base, which is allowed in most states, that attachment she can attach. Flashlight with strobe, but regardless, she has this, okay? While also this, which, as you witness, although it is just a cantaloupe, it is very hard and will crush things. It's just plastic, very pretty plastic, but it's high density polypropylene, so it doesn't leach or anything, but at the same time it's very hard, so it can be used as a weapon. So when you're carrying it along, you hold it like this so you don't hold it, have to grip. So if you need to use it as a weapon, you just flip it around and punch. It's that simple and that easy. Defender, the Swiss Army knife of water bottles. This will be available before long. I'll be doing a Kickstarter campaign, and I hope you will help me get it out to the masses. Thank you.